Hi guys, how are you? I am Gunjan. You are watching Brainstorming Sessions. Today we are going to discuss about aerosols. Temperature of our atmosphere is affected by many factors. One of the major factors that affect our temperature is greenhouse gases. In greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases absorb outgoing radiation emitted by Earth's surface and which increases temperature of the atmosphere. But apart from greenhouse gases, there is also another factor which affect temperature of the atmosphere, and that is aerosols. Aerosol is a suspension of fine solid particle or liquid droplet in air or another gas. Aerosol can be natural or anthropogenic. Example of natural aerosols are fog, mist, dust, forest exudates, and geyser steam. Even volcanic activities contribute to large amount of aerosols. Volcanoes release sulfuric acid, hydrogen sulfide, and hydrochloric acid into atmosphere, and which remain in atmosphere suspended with other particles. There are some natural inorganic materials such as fine dust, sea salt, and water droplets. There are even some natural organic materials like pollens, spores, or bacteria suspended in atmosphere. Anthropogenic or man-made aerosols are particularly air pollutant and smoke from fossil fuel or burning of biomass. Different aerosols have different optical properties, like sulfate particles. Sulfate particles which are suspended in atmosphere can reflect about 1% of the incoming solar radiation. Imagine atmosphere with more sulfate particle or aerosols having properties which can reflect incoming solar radiation. Means they will reflect more solar radiation back to the space and will induce cooling effect. But there are some other aerosols such as black carbon, soot, or brown carbon have ability to absorb incoming solar radiation, and after absorbing heat radiation they will transfer such heat to the atmosphere and it can increase temperature of the atmosphere. Black carbon is unburnt carbon result of incomplete combustion of biomass or fossil fuel, whereas soot is also result of combustion of fossil fuel and biomass, but it occurs as combination with different particles. Brown carbon is result of combustion of organic materials such as cow dung or vegetation. These aerosols can absorb incoming solar radiation. After that they transfer this heat to atmosphere and we can say that they accelerate global warming. Albedo is ability of the substance to reflect sunlight. Among all the things on earth, ice have highest albedo. Imagine deposition of various aerosols on snow cover. This deposition can decrease available area for reflection of the sunlight, reducing albedo of the snow cover. Less surface means less reflection. Less reflection means that heat remains in atmosphere, increasing temperature of the atmosphere. It means deposition of aerosols on snow cover decreases surface area, which decreases reflection and which actually increases temperature of the atmosphere. Suspension of different aerosols in atmosphere is also harmful for human health. Aerosols affect our respiration and adversely affect our lungs. So that was our topic. Thanks for watching Brainstorming Session. Also subscribe the channel.